Now, these numbers are extraordinary. We are seeing nearly 1,000 new cases in Orange County daily. Those are the numbers we saw at the highest peak last year.
With those numbers, Orange County Mayor Jerry Deming says we are now in crisis mode. This is News 6 at noon. I'm Kirsten O'Connor in for Bridget Ellison.
And I'm Justin Mormont. The county seeing nearly 2,000 new cases between Friday and Saturday, and the number of people being hospitalized is on the rise as well, prompting Advent Health to move to code red status beginning tomorrow. Let's get right out to News 6's Nadine Yanis, who is at the county's COVID update. Nadine?
Well, Justin, Kirsten, weekly we've had these COVID-19 briefings where you have Dr. Pino and Mayor Demings urging people to get vaccinated as they saw the Delta variant creeping into our community. Well, now, as you heard, Mayor Demings saying that we are now at a crisis mode, bringing in Advent Health doctors to talk about what they're seeing within our hospital systems. And what the doctors say is that this is clearly a pandemic among the unvaccinated. Their patients are skewing younger, and we're seeing an increase in pregnant women in the hospital. Let's take a look at the numbers that they're seeing at Advent Health. You mentioned it. They are at red status right now. COVID-19 hospitalizations increasing in Orange, Osceola, Seminole, Lake, Polk, Volusia, and Flagler counties. The positivity rate, they say, is near an all-time high inside the hospital. 946 COVID-19 patients in the hospital across Central Florida. There were 900 in January. Of those, 94% of the patients hospitalized are also unvaccinated. Take a listen.
When we are in a situation like this one where our capacity is stretched, we may have to reschedule care that is not urgent. So as a reminder, that is what level red means. We do a systematic review of all procedures that are scheduled for patients, and if there is something that can wait, then we make that decision in collaboration with the doctor taking care of that patient so we can increase our capacity.
The hospitals making sure that they are ready for the increase of patients. This while here in Orange County, we're hitting about 1,000 cases a day. This time last weekend, for example, and for context, we were at about 506 cases last weekend. 13 new deaths were also reported, the youngest 27 years old, and all of the new deaths, Dr. Raul Pino said, were unvaccinating. This while Dr. Herrera from Advent Health says that before patients are being intubated and after patients have passed, their families have expressed regret that they did not get the vaccine. We're going to hear more from our health leaders on what they call this crisis mode and what options are out there starting at News 6 at 4 o'clock. Live from downtown Orlando tonight, I'm Nadine Yanis, getting results News 6.